Alright, so welcome to another vid. It's 5 in the morning right now and I woke up early because I believe that early bird gets the worm. But that's a little cap right there because I woke up 2 in the morning to take a piss, and when I get back to the bed, I can't sleep anymore. So I decided to prepare my morning routine, and I'm trying to reset my sleeping schedule too because my sleeping schedule right now is so cooked. I'm just trying to reset my schedule. But right now I'm trying to do a 10-kilometer run. So let's get this shit done. Alright. I don't know, bro, if y'all can relate to this. If I do a back testing, all my strategies works. But if I do it in a live trading, I don't know, bro, it doesn't work for me. If y'all don't know, I lost a lot of trades in these past few days. Like, all the strategies that I do, it doesn't work, bro. It won't work. But I did realize that maybe I'm a bit greedy or being impatient. Maybe I need to work on my risk management too, because I think I'm lacking with that. If you are a unprofitable trader right now like me, who trying to learn a lot more about trading, I promise, bro, if you are watching this, December 2025, we all become profitable, bro. I swear to God. Bro, I think this is the time that I need to talk about myself in the future. I know you are watching this, my future self in the next 12 months. I know that you are profitable right now, and I hope that you are doing well, because right now I still figuring the things out, if this work or not. I know, bro, you need to retire your mom, but don't stop, bro. You need to become a millionaire. If you're all a beginner who watch this, who try to figure things out, and you trying to master trading right now, and you don't know if this work or not, I just want to say that you can do it, bro. You just need to be consistent on what you do. Just do it with a risk management. You need to follow your trading plan, maintain your trading psychology, bro, because I know that you're struggling right now because you keep on losing. But I swear, bro, in the next 12 months, in a few months from now, 6 to 12 months, you become a profitable trader, bro. I swear to God. Because right now, I figure that in these past few weeks, I made a lot of progress, bro. I just realized it, even though I keep on losing, my win rate is too low. But I swear to God, bro, this thing will work, bro, because I see some progress. Because when I trying to start to trade, I don't know what to do, bro. I don't have a trading plan. I just do buy low and sell high, and I don't have any trading plan. I don't know what is liquidity or any term about trading, bro. But right now, I know how to trade, and I see a lot of progress, bro. But the thing is, I keep on losing. But it doesn't matter, bro, because in the long run, I'll become a profitable trader. Maybe I'll be the one who become first millionaire in our family. Because I believe it, bro. I believe it. I see some growth in myself. And if we talk about social life, my social life right now, bro, is so fucked up, bro. I don't have any friends who are contacting right now. I feel like I'm lonely, bro. But I don't care about that, because in order for you to grow, you need to sacrifice your social life, bro. I don't have anyone to hang with because I'm trying to focus on myself. I'm trying to make myself grow, bro, every day. I hate my fucking life situation right now, bro. I'm trying to get through with it. I don't care if I lost a lot of friends right now. The one thing I know is, in the long run, all of these things will work, bro. I know that, bro. This 2025, I plan myself to move in an apartment and buy my first car with my own money, bro. That's the plan that I've been looking forward to right now. And to retire my mom and to be able to pay my own tuition. But to be honest, bro, I want to drop out at school because I think school is the one who holds me back to the success that I want, bro. But I can't do anything from that because that's what my mom wants, bro. That's my mom's dream. In order for her to achieve her dreams is I need to graduate, bro. That's the only thing that keeps holding me back. But I don't care, bro. I need to prove myself that I still be able to grow and to become a profitable trader and to become successful while I'm in college, bro. Let's make an oath to ourselves, bro. We need to lock in this whole year, bro. We need to avoid all of the distractions and we need to become obsessed of reading books and just focus on growing in ourselves, bro. We need to work out consistently and just lock in, bro. We need to work 2 times harder than last year. Time is running out and our parents is aging, bro. They are old now. They don't need to work anymore. We need to do it ourselves because we are old, bro. We are old enough to do that thing. We need to believe in ourselves, bro, that we can do this. That's all I'm gonna say, bro, that we need to stay locked in, bro, in this whole 12 months, bro, this whole year, bro. If you are watching me right now, at the end of this year, 2025, we all become a profitable trader, bro. I swear to God. My future self right now is watching. I just want to say that you made it, bro. You really made it, bro. Don't stop to keep that hunger in yourself, bro. Just crave for more, bro. Right. Safety. Alright, so I just want to do a quick trade recap right now before I work out. And it amazed me because my strategy works. Because in these past few weeks, all my strategy won't work on live trade. But if I do it on my back testing, it will work every time. I entered my trade around 320. So my stop loss earlier was in here, right below this recent swing high. And price comes with a 50%. I just reduce my stop level and into break even. Right now I earned 22%. Why did I enter this trade? Because in the daily bias is bullish and I mark out some equilibrium in 1 hour time frame and I see some discount, the price drawn into discount, and there's a fair value gap here. It doesn't take the fair value gap out, but the price just bounced to the upside and I took a trade after the retracement. This candle right here, this is the time that I took a trade. The profit that I targeted is this 30 minutes highs right here, and luckily it hits. Alright, so it's 7:43 AM right now in the New York session, and it's 2 hours before the markets open. So while waiting for the market that will open, I need to do my leg workout first. So see you later. Alright, so we hit to take profit right now, I closed my trade because the price starts to go down, and I don't think so if that's a good idea to hold. But anyways, I still earned around $4,000 on my demo account, and that's a good thing. So we had another win right now. But that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope that you enjoy it, and please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and I'm out.